Welcome to this channel. In this video, we're going to see the conjugated forms of the verb to go or መሄድ. መሄድ means to go. እሄዳለሁ. እሄዳለሁ. It means I go. I go. As you can see, there's no pronoun here because the conjugated verb by itself indicates who you're talking about. እሄዳለሁ. I go. You can also say እኔ እሄዳለሁ. I go. እኔ means I. So እኔ እሄዳለሁ. I go. You do not have to use the pronouns, but if you're not familiar with the pronouns, you can see them right here. እኔ means I. እኛ means we. አንተ means you. When you're saying it to a male, አንተ. When you are saying it to a female, አንቺ. አንቺ. እናንተ. እናንተ means you guys. እሱ means he. እሷ means she. And then እነሱ means they. So እኔ I, እኛ we, አንተ you when you're saying it to a male, አንቺ you when you're saying it to a female, እናንተ you guys, እሱ he, እሷ she, እነሱ they. So let's see over here. እሄዳለሁ means I go. እሄዳለሁ I go. ልትሄድ ልሄድ no. ልሄድ no. ልሄድ ነው I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. ልሄድ ነው I'm gonna go. እየሄድኩ no. እየሄድኩ no. I'm going. I'm going. ሄጃለሁ ሄጃለሁ I've gone. ሄጃለሁ I've gone. ሄጄ ነበር ሄጄ ነበር I went. I went. እየሄድኩ ነበር እየሄድኩ ነበር I was going. I was going. እየሄድኩ ነበር እሄዳለሁ I'll go. I'll go. እሄዳለሁ እሄዳለሁ እሄድ ነበር እሄድ ነበር I would go. I would go. I would go. ይሄዳል ይሄዳል He goes. He goes. So ይሄዳል he goes. As you can see, there's no pronoun here, but if you want to add the pronoun he or እሱ, that's totally fine. You can say እሱ ይሄዳል እሱ ይሄዳል ሊሄድ no. ሊሄድ no. He's gonna go. ሊሄድ no. He's gonna go. But if you want to say እሱ ሊሄድ ነው, it's totally fine. እሱ ሊሄድ ነው እሱ ሊሄድ ነው እየሄደ no. እየሄደ no. He's going. He's going. You can also say እሱ እየሄደ ነው እሱ እየሄደ ነው እየሄደ no. He's going. ሄዷል ሄዷል He's gone. He's gone. ሄዶ ነበር ሄዶ ነበር He went. He went. ሄዶ ነበር He went. እየሄደ ነበር እየሄደ ነበር እየሄደ ነበር He was going. He was going. ይሄዳል He'll go. He'll go. ይሄዳል። እሱ ይሄዳል። He'll go. ይሄድ ነበር። ይሄድ ነበር። ይሄድ ነበር። He'd go. He would go. He would go. ይሄድ ነበር። ትሄዳለች። ትሄዳለች። ትሄዳለች. She goes. You can also add the pronoun she. እሷ እሷ ትሄዳለች። እሷ ትሄዳለች. She goes. ልትሄድ ነው። ልትሄድ ነው. She's gonna go. She's gonna go. If you want to add the pronoun, you can say እሷ ልትሄድ ነው። እሷ ልትሄድ ነው። እየሄደች ነው። እየሄደች ነው. She's going. She's going. እየሄደች ነው. እሷ እየሄደች ነው። እየሄደች ነው። ሄዳለች። ሄዳለች. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone. ሄዳለች. She's gone. ሄዳ ነበር. She went. She went. ሄዳ ነበር. እየሄደች ነበር. እሷ እየሄደች ነበር። እየሄደች ነበር. She was going. She was going. ትሄዳለች. She'll go. ትሄዳለች. She'll go. ትሄድ ነበር. ትሄድ ነበር. She would go. She would go. She would go. እንሄዳለን. እንሄዳለን. We go. We go. ልንሄድ ነው. ልንሄድ ነው. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. እየሄድን ነው. እየሄድን ነው. We're going. We're going. እየሄድን ነው. ሄደናል. We've gone. We've gone. ሄደናል. ሄደን ነበር. ሄደን ነበር. ሄደን ነበር. We went. ሄደን ነበር. We went. እየሄድን ነበር. እየሄድን ነበር. We were going. We were going. We were going. እየሄድን ነበር. እንሄዳለን. እንሄዳለን. We'll go. We'll go. እንሄድ ነበር. እንሄድ ነበር. We would go. We would go. ትሄዳለህ. ትሄዳለህ. You go. This is the masculine form. You go. You go. You can also say አንተ ትሄዳለህ. አንተ ትሄዳለህ means you go. ልትሄድ ነው. ልትሄድ ነው. You're gonna go. This is when you're saying it to a male. Like ልትሄድ ነው. እየሄድክ ነው. እየሄድክ ነው. You're going. You can also say አንተ እየሄድክ ነው. አንተ እየሄድክ ነው. አንተ እየሄድክ ነው. You're going. The masculine form. ሄደናል. ሄደናል. ሄደሃል. 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 You've gone. You've gone. You can also say አንተ ሄደሃል. አንተ ሄደሃል. You've gone. ሄደህ ነበር. ሄደህ ነበር. You went. You went. አንተ ሄደህ ነበር። አንተ ሄደህ ነበር or ሄደህ ነበር. You went. እየሄድክ ነበር. እየሄድክ ነበር. You were going. You were going. ትሄዳለህ. ትሄዳለህ. You'll go. You'll go. ትሄድ ነበር. ትሄድ ነበር. ትሄድ ነበር. You'd go. You'd go. ትሄጃለሽ. ትሄጃለሽ. You go. You go. This is a feminine form. ትሄጃለሽ. You go. You can also say አንቺ ትሄጃለሽ. አንቺ ትሄጃለሽ. ልትሄጂ ነው. ልትሄጂ ነው. You're gonna go. You're gonna go. እየሄድሽ ነው. እየሄድሽ ነው. እየሄድሽ ነው. You're going. You're going. You can also say አንቺ እየሄድሽ ነው. ሄደሻል. ሄደሻል. You've gone. You've gone. ሄደሽ ነበር. ሄደሽ ነበር. You went. You went. ሄደሽ ነበር. You can also say አንቺ ሄደሽ ነበር. እየሄድሽ ነበር. You were going. You were going. ትሄጃለሽ. You'll go. ትሄጃለሽ. You'll go. ትሄጂ ነበር. ትሄጂ ነበር. ትሄጂ ነበር. You'd go. ትሄዳላችሁ. ትሄዳላችሁ. You guys go. You guys go. ልትሄዱ ነው. You guys are gonna go. You guys are gonna go. እየሄዳችሁ ነው. እየሄዳችሁ ነው. You guys are going. You guys are going. ሄዳችኋል. ሄዳችኋል. You guys have gone. You guys have gone. ሄዳችሁ ነበር. ሄዳችሁ ነበር. ሄዳችሁ ነበር. You guys went. You guys went. እየሄዳችሁ ነበር. You guys were going. እየሄዳችሁ ነበር. You guys were going. ትሄዳላችሁ. You guys will go. ትሄዳላችሁ. You guys will go. ትሄዳላችሁ. ትሄዱ ነበር. ትሄዱ ነበር. You guys would go. ትሄዱ ነበር. You guys would go. ይሄዳሉ. ይሄዳሉ. They will go or they go. They will go or they go. ሊሄዱ ነው. ሊሄዱ ነው. ሊሄዱ ነው. They're gonna go. They're gonna go. ሊሄዱ ነው. ሊሄዱ ነው. They're gonna go. እየሄዱ ነው. They're going. They're going. ሄደዋል. They've gone. They've gone. ሄደው ነበር. ሄደው ነበር. They went. They went. እየሄዱ ነበር. They were going. They were going. ይሄዳሉ. ይሄዳሉ. They will go. It also means they go. In Amharic, there's no difference between the present tense form in the future form. Let's say, for example, if you say እሄዳለሁ, it means I go. It also means I will go. So there's no difference between the present tense form and the future form. ይሄዱ ነበር. They would go. They would go. ይሄዱ ነበር. ይሄዱ ነበር. All right. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching.